Deep in the heart of Australia's Northern Territory lies a place of extraordinary beauty and wonder, Kakadu National Park. Spanning nearly 20,000 square kilometers, this vast expanse of wilderness is a treasure trove of natural and cultural riches. This vast wilderness, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a sanctuary of vibrant life and ancient culture. Here, the land tells stories that date back tens of thousands of years, with ancient rock art that offers a glimpse into the lives of the indigenous people who have called this place home for millennia. Kakadu's landscapes are a tapestry woven from rugged escarpments, cascading waterfalls, and tranquil wetlands. Each element of this diverse environment plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, supporting a wide array of flora and fauna. The park is a symphony of sound, from the echoing calls of birds to the rustling of leaves in the wind. The air is filled with the melodies of nature, creating a serene and harmonious atmosphere that envelops you as you explore. Kakadu is a place where time seems to stand still, a testament to the enduring power of nature. As the sun sets, the landscape transforms, bathed in hues of orange and pink, offering a breathtaking spectacle that leaves an indelible mark on your soul. Kakadu is a land of contrasts, a place where ancient traditions meet the modern world. Indigenous custodians continue to practice their traditions, sharing their knowledge and stories with visitors, bridging the gap between past and present. The park is home to a rich diversity of plant and animal life, some found nowhere else on Earth. From the elusive black wallaroo to the vibrant water lilies that dot the wetlands, Kakadu's biodiversity is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. It is a place where the past is ever present, etched into the landscape and preserved in the stories and traditions of its indigenous custodians. The rock art, some of the oldest in the world, serves as a timeless record of human history and connection to the land. Kakadu is a place that will captivate your senses and stay with you long after you leave. Whether you're marveling at the ancient rock art, listening to the stories of the land's traditional owners, or simply soaking in the natural beauty, Kakadu offers an experience that is both profound and unforgettable. Kakadu is teeming with life, a true wildlife enthusiast's paradise. Over 280 bird species grace the skies, their calls echoing through the trees. Flocks of brightly colored parrots flit through the rainforest canopy. The majestic white-bellied sea eagle soars overhead, its keen eyes searching for prey in the wetlands below. On land, agile wallabies bound through the undergrowth. Saltwater crocodiles, ancient reptiles with prehistoric lineage, lurk in the murky depths of billabongs. The elusive quoll, a small carnivorous marsupial, hunts amongst the rocks. Kakadu's wildlife is a constant reminder of the delicate balance of nature. Kakadu's landscapes are a testament to the power of time and the forces of nature. Towering escarpments, weathered over millennia, dominate the skyline. Their sheer cliffs, painted in shades of ochre and crimson, plunge dramatically into verdant valleys. Waterfalls cascade over the escarpment edges, creating a symphony of sound and a spectacle of raw beauty. The wetlands, a vital part of Kakadu's ecosystem, transform with the seasons. During the wet season, they teem with life, a haven for migratory birds and a breeding ground for countless species. The dry season sees the wetlands shrink, revealing a mosaic of waterholes and channels, attracting a diverse array of animals seeking water. Kakadu's diverse landscapes support a remarkable variety of plant and animal life. Over 2,000 plant species thrive here, from delicate orchids to towering eucalyptus trees. The iconic Darwin woolly butt, one of the world's largest trees, stands tall in the park's forests. The park is home to a quarter of Australia's freshwater fish species and a third of its bird species. The saltwater crocodile, a powerful predator, is a keystone species in Kakadu's ecosystem. These ancient reptiles play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the wetlands. Section 5. The Art of Time. Rock Art in Kakadu. This chapter delves into the mesmerizing world of ancient rock art found in the heart of Kakadu National Park. Kakadu's cultural significance is as profound as its natural beauty. The park's landscapes are not just visually stunning, but also hold deep spiritual meaning for the Aboriginal people. The park is home to one of the world's oldest living cultures, a testament to the resilience and continuity of Aboriginal traditions, with evidence of Aboriginal occupation dating back over 65,000 years. These ancient artworks are a bridge to a time long past, offering insights into the lives of the earliest inhabitants. Kakadu's rock art galleries are a window into this ancient past, showcasing a rich tapestry of stories and experiences. A glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the park's traditional owners. These artworks are not just historical records, but also living traditions, passed down through generations. The paintings, some over 20,000 years old, are a testament to the enduring legacy of the Aboriginal people. Depict animals, spirits, and mythical beings, each with its own story and significance, and scenes from daily life. These depictions provide a vivid portrayal of the daily activities and survival strategies of the ancient inhabitants. They tell stories of creation, of the origins of the world and the beings that inhabit it, of the land and its creatures, highlighting the deep connection between the people and their environment, and of the ancestral beings who shaped the world. These stories are integral to the cultural identity and spiritual beliefs of the Aboriginal people. The rock art of Kakadu is a powerful reminder of the enduring connection between people and place. It is a living heritage that continues to inspire and educate, bridging the past and the present. Section 6. Custodians of the Land, the Aboriginal Presence. For tens of thousands of years, the Bininj people have been the custodians of Kakadu. Their connection to the land runs deep, woven into the very fabric of their existence. Their knowledge of the land, its plants, animals, and seasons is unparalleled. Today, the Bininj people continue to play an active role in the management of Kakadu National Park. Their traditional knowledge is invaluable in conserving the park's natural and cultural heritage for future generations. Visiting Kakadu is an opportunity to learn from the world's oldest living culture and gain a deeper understanding of their profound connection to the land. Section 7. Living Culture. Experiencing Aboriginal Traditions. Visitors to Kakadu have the unique privilege of experiencing Aboriginal culture firsthand. Guided tours led by Indigenous rangers offer deep insights into traditional hunting and gathering techniques, bush tucker, and traditional medicine. You can learn about the cultural significance of the rock art and the fascinating stories behind the paintings. Cultural performances, featuring traditional dance and music, provide a vibrant and immersive cultural experience. These performances are a celebration of the Bininj/Mungi people's rich heritage and a testament to the enduring power of their ancient traditions. Section 8. Exploring Kakadu Activities and Adventures. Kakadu offers a wealth of activities for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. From hiking through rugged terrain to capturing the perfect shot of the park's diverse wildlife, there's something for everyone. Embark on a scenic flight over the park, marveling at the vastness and diversity of its landscapes. The aerial view provides a unique perspective, showcasing the park's intricate network of rivers, wetlands, and escarpments. Cruise along the waterways, spotting crocodiles and a myriad of bird life. The boat tours offer an intimate look at the park's aquatic ecosystems, where you can observe the behavior of these fascinating creatures up close. Take a dip in a refreshing waterhole, surrounded by the sights and sounds of the bush. These natural pools are perfect for cooling off after a day of exploration, providing a serene and picturesque setting. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the park's many walking trails, ranging from easy strolls to challenging multi-day treks. Each trail offers its own unique experience, whether it's discovering ancient rock art or witnessing breathtaking vistas. Camp under a star-studded sky, serenaded by the sounds of the nocturnal wildlife. The clear night skies of Kakadu provide an unparalleled stargazing experience, making it a perfect end to a day full of adventure. Kakadu is a place to escape the everyday and reconnect with the natural world. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, the park offers a sanctuary where you can immerse yourself in nature's wonders and create unforgettable memories. Section 9. Kakadu's Call to Action, Conservation and Respect. Kakadu's future, like that of many natural wonders, faces challenges. Climate change, invasive species, and the pressures of tourism all pose threats to the park's delicate ecosystem. It is our collective responsibility to ensure that this precious place is protected for generations to come. When visiting Kakadu, it is essential to tread lightly and respect the environment. Follow the principles of leave no trace, staying on designated trails, disposing of waste responsibly, and minimizing your impact on the natural surroundings. By respecting the environment and supporting sustainable tourism practices, we can help ensure that Kakadu's beauty and wonder endure. Section 10. A Journey for the Soul. Why Kakadu is a must-visit. Kakadu National Park is more than just a destination. It is a journey for the soul. It is a place to connect with nature in its rawest and most awe-inspiring forms. It is a place to learn from the wisdom of one of the world's oldest living cultures and gain a deeper understanding of our place in the world. Whether you seek adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life, Kakadu has something to offer. So, answer the call of the wild. Discover the wonders of Kakadu National Park.